Hello friends, today's topic India's market capitalization at record high. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is Financial Educational Society. India's listed companies have added nearly 1 trillion or around 85 lakh crores in market capitalization in absolute terms to 5.33 trillion around 454 lakh crores since beginning of March 2025. Since March 2025, Indian markets have been gradually rising and has gone up by 14% so far. This was after a significant fall of 16% between September 2024 and February 2025. So effectively, Nifty index is close to its lifetime high of around 26,200. In percentage terms, the market cap has surged by over 21%. This is the highest increase among the world's top 10 equity markets. India is currently the fifth largest stock market globally after US, China, Japan and Hong Kong. Highest market cap gains since March 2025. India market cap 453.15 lakh crores, percentage change since March 2025 21.1%. To Germany, percentage change 13.8% up. 3. Canada, percentage change since March 2025 10.8%. 4. Hong Kong, 9% up. 5. UK, percentage change since March 2025 7.5%. 6. Japan, percentage change since March 2025 7.3%. Going further, 7. Taiwan 5.2%, 8. France 3.8%, 9. US 2.5%, 10. China 1.9%, 11. Saudi Arabia minus 8.4%. Nifty Mid-Cap 100 Index has rallied by 24% since the beginning of March 2025 and Nifty Small Cap 100 Index has rallied by 28% during the same period. Some experts are of the opinion that Indian markets are overvalued since the profitability of companies has not improved much while the stock market has rallied. Generally speaking, it has been around 9 months of flat market since the start of the fall at the end of September 2024. So there has been a relatively long period of time correction. But since quarter results of many companies were below expectations, the fundamentals have not improved much. Although investors are hopeful of a continuation of this uptrend, a runaway kind of strong rally is not very likely. There is more chance that markets will continue to trade in a range for the rest of the year unless there is any major positive news for Indian or global stock markets. Here is an announcement. Mutual ಫಂಡ್ಗಳು ಲಾಭಕರವೇ ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ for all channel members today 11 June Wednesday at 9:15 p.m. on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kerala channel. End of the video, here is the question. Has your portfolio of stocks, mutual funds recovered to previous highs of last year? You may type yes or no. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.